There's one travel mistake that quietly ruins the whole first day of your trip, and most people don't even realize that it's happening. So it's what happens after you arrive. Today, I'm going to give you a travel tip how to fix it with ChatGPT. If you're new here, I'm Vicky, and my channel is about showing you how to use ChatGPT step by step for seniors to plan better trips without the tech stress. And here's the mistake: trying to get a head start on the trip the moment you arrive. After driving 6, maybe 7 hours, the instinct is to keep going. Dinner, a stop, maybe one more thing. It sounds productive, but here's what's actually happening. Fatigue sets in, focus drops, simple things feel harder. Parking, walking, even deciding what to do next. And by the end of the day, you're worn out instead of settled in. Most plans focus on distance, not energy. Driving takes more out of you than it seems. So when you stack activities on top of a travel day, it creates overload that doesn't show up on paper but shows up immediately in real life. There's a much easier way to handle that first day, and it changes how the rest of the trip feels. Hi there, it's a beautiful day outside. I thought I'd come out and remind you guys that I have a couple other videos that would help you with beginner level ChatGPT. I've been showing you how to do travel planning, and I actually made one that is just for beginners to show you how to do everyday tasks in case you haven't learned that yet. I'll put those up above this video so you can check that out, and then I have a beginner level one for travel planning too. So anyway, it's really fun to use ChatGPT. Everything goes a lot faster. You can get to travel a lot more because you don't have to spend hours and hours opening Google. So anyway, thanks for joining me, and I hope you take advantage of those and have a great day. Now I'm going to show you how ChatGPT helps us make this a better trip. So I'm going to read you the prompt here on the screen. It says, plan a relaxed travel day for me, starting from beginning city to the destination, limit driving 6 to 8 hours, including breaks, and 1 or 2 easy stops, and arrive early enough to rest. This is the exact prompt, simple, but it completely changes how the day is structured. Now I'm going to open ChatGPT. So I have ChatGPT open. I'm going to paste my prompt because I always keep them on a document and copy and paste. So you're going to see what I put in here. So I chose my beginning city to be Sioux City, Iowa, and we're going to Branson, Missouri. I'm going to enter. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it tells you the driving time is 6 hours, 15 minutes with stops 7 hours, 15 to 30 minutes. And this is the right target range and avoids fatigue stacking late in the day. And then route overview tells you what highways to take, departure strategy, leave around 8 to 8:30. First stop is Maryville, Missouri for coffee or stretch. Okay, and then stop 2 is Marshall, Missouri. And final leg into Branson's 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, and so it gives you some really pretty pictures of Branson. The breaks are strategically placed before fatigue or before you go to any touristy stops. Okay, so we'll move on. Here's a reminder. It says control the travel day, protect your energy. This isn't just a plan, it's controlling how much energy the day takes. Here's prompt number 2 for ChatGPT. It's going to refine our answers better so we have a better plan. It says create a light first day itinerary after arrival with minimal walking, simple food options, and time to relax. Okay, we're back into ChatGPT. I'm going to paste prompt 2. It says create a light first day itinerary. We read that on the blue screen, so I'm going to enter. So now this is what makes all the difference. It says light first day itinerary, arrival day from 4 to 4:45 p.m. Arrive and reset. You do your hotel check-in, sit down, unpack, 5 o'clock, easy scenic drive, no walking. Option B, you could do Shepherd of the Hills Fish Hatchery. Then 6 to 7 p.m., simple low stress dinner. And here's some options: Dana's Barbecue and Burger Shop, Billy Gale's Cafe, Fall Creek Steak and Catfish House. So why ChatGPT is recommending these? Because there's no long waits, simple menus, easy parking. So that makes all the difference in the world when you're planning a trip. Is they can do it in a couple minutes. That would take you a long time of opening Google tabs and looking at everything, trying to decide. Okay, so it also tells you why that would work. Now, the first day stays simple: minimal walking, easy food nearby, and time to actually rest. This protects the first day so rest of the trip starts stronger. Now the day looks completely different. I'll show you how your day could look after using these two prompts. You'll arrive, check in, take a short walk, have an easy dinner nearby, and end the day rested. No pressure, no overlapping, and it's really quick to plan that. The difference isn't the destination, it's how the first day is handled. A controlled travel day and the light arrival day, that's what changes everything. The most common road trip mistake isn't the destination, but it's trying to plan too much in one day. I have the prompts available for you in a free Google Doc. Please grab them from the description. And I hope you subscribe. I'm a small channel. I'm a grandma. I'm just trying to help others learn how to do this because it can save a lot of time from your planning so you can go on more trips. That's what we're all about, right? Having a good retirement. So have a great day. Thank you.